In this video, we're going to look at how we are going to set up for these videos. So for the rest of the videos, we're essentially going to be working in Scratch, in Python, and in JavaScript. Now, first of all, we're going to use online environments. That's the quickest and easiest way to get a result. After we're comfortable with using Python and JavaScript and what the expected output is and things like that, we will then look at using Python properly on your desktop with the command line or the terminal. And we'll look at using JavaScript within the context of a web page. But for now, we're just going to use online versions so that we can get results. So you want to set yourself up with 3 tabs. We're going to have Scratch on here. So this is a matter of creating an account and going to create. For Python, the one we're after is REPL.it. That's a little hard to remember, so if you Google search for online Python, it's usually around about here. And we're going to choose Python, and there's a few things on. If we click on here, that will go away, and we can push that to the left. So we'll come back to this, and JS Fiddle. We don't necessarily need that. And basically, if you know anything about web pages, the HTML goes there, CSS goes there, JavaScript goes there, and there's the output. For the work that we're going to do, we're just going to use JavaScript on its own initially, and then down the track we're going to come back to here and we're going to add buttons and colors and background and sort of refactor our JavaScript. But we're just trying to streamline this as much as possible for now. So we'll have input here and output there. Now that we've got our pages set up that we can go from Scratch to Python to JavaScript, is just getting output. Hello world is the classic, and who am I to defy tradition? So if we go to looks, go over to here, put in hello world, and we can click on that, or we can grab a flag as an event trigger, and now when you click on the green flag, our program outputs. Test number 1 done. Python. The output is print, parentheses. So anything we write in here, in the quotations, is known as a string of text. And we can run. We have our output over here. And in JavaScript, there's a few ways that we can output. The 2 methods that we're going to use are alert, which will give us an annoying pop-up box. Click run. We get our annoying pop-up box to close. Now we want to primarily be writing to the document window. So instead of alert, we're going to document.write. And now run. And we have our output over there. So now we're set up with Scratch, we've tested the output, Python, we've tested the output, and JavaScript, and we've tested the output. We are now ready to move on to the next video.